Hi, I'm Don Schechter for About.com Computing. Today, I'll show you basic PHP syntax. PHP is a server-side scripting language that, very often along with databases created with SQL, can create dynamic web pages. The very first step when coding with PHP is to start with a blank file. I'm using Notepad. I'll go to File, Save, and call it test.php. Make sure that you add the extension .php at the end. Now we need to create a tag letting the server know that there is PHP code coming. So type a bracket, question mark, then PHP. Following this will be our code. At the end of the code, we need to add another question mark and a closing bracket to state that the PHP statement is complete. Anything that is outside of this tag will be read as HTML. If you want, you can leave out the PHP text in the tag and just start with a bracket and a question mark. Comments are always a good idea when you want to explain what a function or piece of code does without it being displayed on screen. To create a comment, you can type 2 slashes and then a comment on one line. Alternatively, you can write your comment after a number sign. If you have a large block of text, you can type a backslash followed by an asterisk. Then write your block of text and end it with another asterisk and a slash. Now let's output some text. All we need to do is add the word echo followed by our text in quotes. I'll type hello world. If you want to add another line of text, just add a semicolon after the quote and on the next line I'll type echo again and in quotes hello again. I'll save this file and upload it via FTP to my web server. If I open up my web browser and type in the URL where the file is saved, we'll see our text. Notice that there is no line break between the two statements. If I go back to my code, I can add an echo in between them. In quotes, I'll add an HTML break tag. Once I save and upload the file again, I can hit refresh, and there is a text on the second line. If you've used variables in other languages, then PHP will seem familiar. Just type a $sign and make up a name for your variable. I'll create the variable text1. To give this a value, I'll insert an equal sign and then hello world in quotes again. I can create another variable, number, that is an integer. I can write a number, 312, and don't need to put it in quotes. There's a lot more you can do with PHP, but this should give you a feel for what to expect when working with this language. Thanks for watching. For more information, please visit us online at computing.about.com.